न देयं नोपभोग्यं च लुब्धेर्यद् दुःखसञ्चितं भुङ्क्ते तदपि तच्चान्यो ಮಧುಹೇವಾರ್ಥವಿನ್ಮಧು. ಭಾಗವತ.
ಜಿಪುಣನು ದುಃಖದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿಟ್ಟ ಹಣ ಕೊಡುವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗದು, ಅನುಭವಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗದು. ಜೇನು ಕೀಳುವವನು ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತಾನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲಾರನೋ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಜಿಪುಣನ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬನು ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ.
The greedy man carefully hides his wealth that is accumulated through great suffering and neither enjoys it nor gives it away. Just like the beekeeper who gathers a large quantity of honey which is enjoyed by others, a miser too gathers money which is fated to be utilized by someone else.